I'm Debbie Cronister. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm going to show you a really cute card that I'm going to make. So I started out with this card layout, and it's just a really simple layout. Opens at the top, on the side. I'm sure you've seen many of these, and they go this way, and they're wider. This piece is usually wider. So just by turning it the other direction, kind of gives us a fun direction and different layout. This was done with Delivering Cheer, which is one of our new stamp sets in the holiday catalog. And so, but today I am going to do it with the Gingerbread and Peppermint Memories and More kit. I have been working with this kit, and I thought this would be really fun to try to do it with that. So I'm using some of the products from that. And so we're going to start with a piece of cardstock that is 4 1/4 by 8 1/2. And I've chosen real red, and I've scored it at 5 1/2 right here. And then I'm going to add this piece of what is a card from the kit to the front of this as my designer series paper, in a sense. This is cut at 2 1/2 by 4. That's going to go right on there. Then I have a piece of basic white that I have embossed with the music, and I cannot think of the embossing folder, but it's the music embossing folder from our catalog. And so I am going to attach that. And I just thought the music was fun because this is a song. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Well, the greeting is a little different. It's beginning to taste a lot like Christmas. So I thought that was kind of fun. So I'm going to put that in there. And then I have a piece here of real red that I have cut that is 2 1/2 by 9 1/2. And this is what we're really going to decorate. So I'm going to take my 2 tags here, and I've used the tailored tags to cut these. One is in Old Olive. And then the other one is the little square that came out of the kit. Let me see if I can grab one of those real quick. I don't think I have another one. I think I've used them all, amazingly. Okay, so it is the little 3 by 4 rectangle that came from the kit. And so I'm going to attach those two to the front of my cardstock here. The first one, the Old Olive, I'm going to do just flat and just tip it a little bit. And then this one I'm going to put on dimensionals. So I've used the largest tag from the tailored tags. And just like that. And then this piece is going to go inside, and it's cut to 2 1/4 by 4 1/2. And this is where I'd write a note, put a greeting, stamp a greeting. And if I was going to stamp a greeting, I would do that definitely before I put it in here. And you guys all know why, because otherwise that's why paper has 2 sides. So you can flip it over and use the other side if your greeting doesn't come out straight. Okay, I have a little bow here, and this bow is from one of our ribbons from several years ago. I ran out of red ribbon, and so to tide me over until I could get to that order that's on its way, I just went upstairs and grabbed some of my old retired ribbon, and it works just right. Okay, and then I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to attach this to the inside of my card using my glue. Whenever I attach to something that is embossed, I like to use the glue because it stays better. And I'm just going to center this top to bottom, right to left. and not worry about the front yet. Just like that. And then this opens up and goes over top, and there's my card. Really simple and really fun. Thank you for joining me today. You can find me at stampwithdeb.com. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Thank you.